Assalamu alaikum, a very good morning to all of you. I am Amjad Ali here, Head of Chemistry Department and Science Department as well, working here in Pak Shama School and Doha, Qatar. I am teaching here in Pak Shama School, Doha, Qatar from last 22 years. I am teaching chemistry and today I am here with you to explain fundamentals of chemistry in some easy way. I hope you will enjoy with me. So learning objective for this topic is here. You should be able to understand chemistry in some creative way, and I will also try to explain you some basic definition of chemistry like atomic number, mass number, ion, elements, and later I will also explain you about how ionic compounds are formed. And you should be able to understand all these topic inshallah ta'ala. Yes, as regard of the historical background of the chemistry, we discuss here in three parts like early periods, Islamic period, modern periods. Chemistry started as the human beings started their activity in the chemistry when the process of burning started. Old civilization like Chinese civilization, Egyptian civilization, they were also familiar about the chemistry. They were also familiar about chemical colors. Greeks, Greeks first time they also give the idea about concepts of elements like Greek philosopher Empedocles introduced the concepts of four elements on the earth. According to him, air, fire, earth, water, these can be the elements. Later even Aristotle also have the same beliefs. Anyhow, during the Greeks period, branch of chemistry cannot show the too much progress. Later, the Islamic period started. As the Islamic period started, one of the scientists, Jabir bin Hayyan, he is considered as father of chemistry. He did a lot of job in chemistry. In that time, Jabir bin Hayyan discovered the method of preparation of varnish. He also discovered the golden script writing. He also discovered the preparation of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. And very important, he prepared aqua regia, royal water, to dissolve the gold at that time. In this Islamic period, there was a one concept all over the world, and this concept was this one, that some of the metals like copper and silver, they can be converted into the gold. And the peoples who are following this concept, they are called alchemists, and the branch of this science is called at that time alchemy. Later the modern period come, and in the modern period, first of all, Robert Boyle, he is considered as the founder of modern chemistry. Later John Dalton, he gave the John Dalton atomic theory. Wooler, first time he rejected the vital force theory because it was the belief that the organic compound cannot be prepared in the laboratory. They can only be obtained from the living organisms. So he rejected this idea. And later Rutherford, he gave the atomic model. Bohr, he also gave the atomic model. So it is the short historical background of the chemistry. Now, next we are going to discuss the modern chemistry. So our topic is chemistry. So I want to start first of all with the chemistry. You must know what is chemistry. Chemistry, it's not an English word, it's Latin language word. In Arabic, it is called alchemia. In Urdu, it is called chemia. In chemistry, we call it chemistry. So, chemistry, in old definition, it was written that it is a knowledge with the help of that we can prepare gold. But now, its correct definition is this one. It is a branch of science which deals with the properties of matter, composition of matter, and chemical changes involved in it. It means that it is a knowledge, it is a branch which especially deals with matter. What is matter? Matter, anything which have some mass and occupies the space is called matter. If you look around us, you feel that everything in the universe is matter. Like, our table, chair, so whatever, everything which have some mass, like it's a mobile, this one is also a matter because it has mass and it occupies some space as well. So it is also a matter. Me, even matter. So all the things which occupies the space and have some mass are matter. What do you think about air? Air is also a matter because the empty cylinder, gas cylinder which we are using in our kitchen, so that is lighter in weight. Yes. What is the basic unit of matter? Basic unit of matter is a atom. It is same like that. If someone asks from you what is the basic unit of living things, you can say cell is the basic unit of living things. Same, basic unit of the matter is a atom. So atom, when atoms combines, elements are formed. Elements combine, compounds are formed. And this world is made up of the matter. Everything in this universe is made up of matter. And basic unit of the matter is atom. Atom combines, elements are formed. And there can be the different examples of the element, like hydrogen is a one element. Helium is also a one element. Hydrogen is the simplest element which contains just one proton and one electron, and its symbol is H. The helium, that one is a noble gas. Its symbol is He, and it is also the simplest one because it contains just the two proton and two electron. So these are the two examples of element, hydrogen and helium. Now, the next we must know about the atomic number. What is atomic number? The atom is a basic unit of the matter, and atomic number, it can be the number of electron or number of proton present in an atom is called atomic number. So always in an atom, proton and electrons are equal. So if we know the number of proton and electron in an atom, so then we can say the atomic number of this atom is that one. Like for example, hydrogen, I already told you, hydrogen has one proton, so it has one atomic number, and same one electron. Also helium, it contains two proton, so its atomic number is 2. What is mass number? Mass number is the number of proton and number of neutron in an atoms. So sometimes student confuse in it, so it should be clear to you. Number of proton, not or, and number of neutron in an atoms. Like for example, hydrogen, it contains just one proton and no neutron, so it means that its mass number is also 1. And look at here, I give you here the symbol of sodium having 11 and 23. So two numbers are here. So what is 11? 11 is the atomic number of sodium. 23rd, 23 is the mass number of sodium. Look at the chlorine and you try to guess number of proton and electron and neutron in chlorine. So you can easily guess there will be 7 electron in it, so its atomic number is 17, and 35 is its mass number. Yes students, what is an element? When atoms combine, elements are formed. You know, element is a substance that cannot be further divided into the simpler ones. A substance that cannot be converted into other simpler substances is called an element. So element is very important. We must know about the element, its definition and examples as well. Look at the example, hydrogen and oxygen. These are two simple examples of elements. And you know about the periodic table. In the periodic table, there are lot of elements. So you must memorize the names and symbols of elements. Now I want to give you a creativity. Look at, in this creativity, if you observe your room and try to find some elements and write their names and symbols as well. If you observe your door, window frames, and different other materials, you can easily find the different elements.